Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your document's color fundamentals. Open the file, then check image mode to confirm RGB or CMYK. This matters for how adjustments behave. Next, set a consistent working profile under Edit Color Settings, sRGB for web, Adobe RGB for print, because profiles drive color math. Once done, toggle View Proof Colors to preview how the final output will render. Make sure to save a duplicate copy. You'll need an untouched original while you make changes. Now you refine color using non-destructive layers. Add a curves adjustment layer and sample neutral grays with the on-image eyedropper. Correct each RGB channel until neutrality is achieved. Then use color balance or selective color to push hues in highlights, midtones, and shadows. This gives targeted correction without wrecking contrast. If colors feel weak, nudge vibrance, not saturation, to protect skin tones. Make sure to toggle the adjustment layer on and off often so you can see the real improvement as you work. Finish by converting to the correct output profile. Edit Convert to Profile ensures the file is prepared for its destination. Soft proof one more time and inspect at 100% for color casts or clipping, then export with the right format and settings. If you see unexpected shifts after export, check for profile mismatches between Photoshop and the viewing app and inspect any blending or adjustment layers that might be causing double corrections. If needed, disable suspected layers, reassign profiles, and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.